The first point of inquiry is to visit a question that is deceptively engaging. And the question is, what is money? Now, we might agree as a point of departure that money is a technology invented by humans to communicate value. However, if one were to engage a PhD in economics and get them in a quiet moment and ask them the question, what is money? It's more likely than not that they're going to admit, we don't know. We don't seem to be able to define what money is, in the same way that electricity, light, and gravity are phenomena that we experience all the time, but it's pretty tough for a PhD in physics to define what is gravity, what is light, what is electricity. And yet, we agree that they bear certain properties, and maybe we even use them for certain things. Certainly for money. Money has 4 uses and 6 properties.